Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you practice your English at home alone. Yeah, at home alone. It sounds impossible, but it is possible. You can practice your English, or if you're learning any other languages, you can practice that language at home alone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you two ways that if you will execute them, it will really help you to improve your English, or if you're learning any other languages, it will really help you to improve that language. Because the most important thing of learning anything is practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number one, you should record your voice. Yeah, you should record your voice. Start recording and start speaking anything, whatever you want to speak, just speak. Don't think about anyone, because there is no one around you to judge you. There was only you. So just speak. Don't think about I will speak wrong or I will speak right. Just speak. After speaking, you should start listening. You should start listening your recording and try to find where you did mistake, where you are fumbling, where you are stucking. And after finding this all thing, you should try to improve this. Okay. Number two, you should start your camera and just start talking with yourself. Whatever you want to talk, just talk, like what you like, what you dislike, what is your hobby, what do you want to do in your life, and what about your relatives, about your friends, whatever. Choose any topic and just start speaking. After recording, you start watching this again and again, and again try to find where you did mistake and try to improve these all things. If you will execute these two things in your daily life routine, it will really help you to improve your English. So thank you so much for watching this video.